Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mirror your iPhone to iPad mini 7th generation. Although I don't really have iPhone right now next to me, I can show you how to do that on iPad, and you can repeat those steps on your iPhone as well because it is pretty much identical. So in order to mirror the screen of your iPhone to your iPad mini 7th generation, what you need to do is first and foremost you need to use the same Wi-Fi connection. So you want to go to the Wi-Fi settings and make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Once you are certain that you are using the same connection, the next thing is you want to go to the control center, and then you want to look for this icon with rectangles, which is of course used for screen mirroring. Once you open screen mirroring and once you are connected to the same Wi-Fi on your iPad, then on your iPhone there should be this iPad detected on the list over here. You should be able to select the iPad, and then you can simply start screen mirroring, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.